Is that how it goes? Hello. So what do we do? Oh look, a very diverse Jaguar. Lots of tradition there and stuff, but we need to look away because no. Let's not start on a negative note. Let's start on a positive note. We are today, right now, we are at Mille Miglia pre-start event. We also have our GT3 here with the Vulcan Alpha wing that you already have seen. But right now, I will be actually leaving these premises because I'm going to meet car expert. I think we were recording a podcast and maybe he's going to show me a thing or two about Dubai in general, not only car culture, but let's see. And aside from a big thank you to Atomic for giving us the car to attach our wing to it, I'd like to say a big thank you to Volkswagen Middle East for giving us a set of wheels that we can move around. I will be actually taking Uber because guys have a lot of equipment to take to go scan a car, but that's for a separate video in tomorrow or yesterday, we don't know. So now I'm going to Mr. Car Expert. So where are you taking me?
So we are going here to podcast studio. We'll finish up the podcast. After the podcast, then you will go to Mansouri.
Nice.
I'll show you the culinary rather there.
Sounds good.
You'll find the culinary.
Thanks a lot. Oh, Bronco. That's something we absolutely do not get in Europe, unfortunately.
You don't have it?
No. So where are we?
Mansouri.
Why are you apologizing?
I know. I'm not apologizing, brother. Mansouri.
So what's your favorite?
What's my favorite in here?
Okay, which one for the morning, which one for the evening?
This one for the morning, because you have to wake up early in the morning and you have to, because when you're sleepy and your neighbors are sleepy, you have to make sure that they are awake. They know that you are awake. So once you start this car, automatically it's a little bit loud. And everyone knows that, okay, you're awake. And for evening time, most probably, I don't know, the 6x6, that one.
Oh, actually, I didn't even see it.
Kronos.
Ah.
With the Tiffany interior.
Is that all forged carbon exterior?
Yes, 100%. It's Mansouri. It has to be carbon fiber everywhere, brother. So Mansouri does either carbon fiber, which is exposed carbon fiber, or carbon fiber, which is not exposed carbon fiber. But everything has to be carbon fiber.
Interesting. So what's up with the spoiler? Because it's missing the middle piece.
Design.
And then
So you got the one full piece here.
Ah, yeah. So, speaking in Dubai terms, what's the most expensive car here?
6x6.
6x6?
Yeah.
And Maggie is looking at it. I'm in trouble. What's the price of that one?
5 million dirhams.
5 million, so that's like 1 million euro.
1.25.
Yeah. That's the most expensive one, yeah. And, but, hey, pickup trucks are not allowed on the Nürburgring. Yes, so we're not taking it then. But if you can buy this, you can buy the Nürburgring. Although I don't think they will be selling it. What kind of carbon is this? This is not like, this is different.
Special carbon.
Wow. Do you have also colored carbon?
We do.
Yeah.
We have the standard colored one. We have the forged colored one.
Is here an example of it?
Yeah.
Somewhere? Ah.
You can see this is the standard carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Tinted in dark blue.
Very nice.
This one as well. The
Oh yeah,
options
wow.
that you have. You got two options. This one separates both of them.
Very nice.
You got the red color.
The candy red I like.
Those are the special paints for the exterior paint.
What's this?
Also special carbon, but usually we use it for the interior. Got the forged carbon, black, whitish.
What's that? That's also some special.
Also for the interior. You got this one written in Arabic. All around in Mansouri lettering. And brown tinting.
Wow.
You got the infinity sign. Chain.
All kinds of different carbon. That's nice.
Mostly we use for the exterior the standard carbon and the forged carbon.
Yeah.
You got them in glossy and matte finish.
Here's this bad boy.
Yeah?
Yeah, here's this bad boy.
Sorry, no.
I want to go in the back.
Yeah. You go away. I'll close my ears.
It's going to break the sound barrier, like literally. at this, look at this. Calling
Nice.
himself car, brother. What car? Car. This is the car.
So which one's your favorite? Flakes?
And this one is nice, look.
Yeah. Looks like a medieval armor.
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
This one is like golden Balkan spec. Romania, Bulgaria spec.
Hold on a second. What happening there? Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Exactly. Whoa.
So.
See, this simply means that an electric car might 1% make you happy if it has an exhaust. And exhaust matters a lot.
Oh, this one doesn't have fake sound. Yeah, it can fit in the back maybe, I don't know. Put it on the side somehow. Oh, look at that. It's the very first prototype of Koenigsegg ever. Insane. And we have also our very first prototype of Vulcan Alpha wing for a 992 GT3. Also pretty insane. We are at Mille Miglia Experience UAE. And me, Misha, and Georgios will be actually driving it in, not this, but actually something orangey over there. So let's go and have a look. Over there we have RM Sotheby's auction that combined value will have probably around 50 million euros or so, because there's even a Pagani Zonda worth 12 million euros or more. But this is going to be the car that we will be driving, nicknamed Fanta.
Oh, it's sticking. You're actually good at this.
Many people don't know, but the company called Blackfish Graphics, that was one of my first automotive jobs 10 years ago or so. I worked there for like year and a half. Before it was Blackfish Graphics, before it was Sticker Dump, it was stickers per SMS. You can send a text message and you can get stickers. Bam!
Second sticker zone. Oh, so straight.
Straight.
Professional.
Good,
It's good. Yeah, it's good.
I didn't even try.
And the last one.
You can open Vulcan Alpha car wrapping.
I draw liveries, you install them, we're making money.
Money! But we'll move to Dubai for that.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Please.
Okay, so the sign up and the scrutineering is done. Now we are back at our car and let's look around what kind of cars we have aside from this original prototype. There are lots and lots of cars, and to make it a bit more interesting, we brought our other Vulcan Alpha 320 wing. That's like what, 1.7 I think? 1.7 meters wide. Yeah. Not the highest, but still wide enough. And let's see how some of these cars would look with one of our wings on it, to make it a bit more interesting. Should we go straight to the auction part?
Auction?
Yeah, of course. Lancia, what about Lancia?
Dude, you're gonna get me cancelled.
Is that how it goes? And rate it in the comments which car you find the best with a wing on it, or the worst. Should do the Rolls Royce. I mean, actually, we're missing end plates. We should have brought some with us.
Yeah, we end plates and an upright.
Yeah. Or you want to do a classic Ferrari? It's actually not bad. It actually is fitting. The shape is working. Yeah.
I don't think it's the right spot.
Nah, that would be too much. But the whole car is too much. Oh, Dino.
Oh, dude.
Sacrilege?
No.
Yeah. You don't want to get killed by former colleagues?
No. No, and not even that one.
No? Oh yeah, but it's so beautiful. Okay, no Ferraris. Yeah. I mean, I guess that's what the new slogan of Jaguar is. Be bold, be different, don't copy or something. Alright, it's now time to go inside to do the briefing. And also maybe I should register as a bidder and bid on maybe like a wheel cap of a car or something. In the meanwhile, here are also two pinnacles of cars that are being auctioned off. The Valkyrie and the Zonda LM that is expecting to fetch over $12 million. It says so over there. It's pretty wild. I love the rear. I love the rear. It's Zonda LM Roadster.
but we'll use a combination of the best and most interesting roads that there are. You will drive to the highest point in the Emirates and also some of the lowest points, those which were hit hardest by the widely reported storms in the spring. You will see both seas, the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Gulf, and you'll drive over many speed breakers, or bumps as they are listed in the road book. We do an excellent speed bump here in the UAE. Despite the glitz and glamour of the cities, there are areas of natural beauty and quite medieval animal husbandry practices. Goats, camels, cows, shepherds on motorbikes and ancient local worthies in unlicensed pickups are a law unto themselves. Slow down for them, they were there before you. Again, you have been warned. Rule number 1, the clerk of the course is always correct. Rule number 2, if the clerk of the course is wrong, just refer to rule number 1. I'll take relevant questions from drivers now, questions on subjects other than routes I will probably pass on. Thank you very much.
We are now going to do a practice run because there'll be lots of consistency challenges during a rally and we need to figure out how to do those. There's going to be lots of failing and getting lost, I'm feeling it now already, but it gives us a good reason to come back. Hello, so what do we do?
Just wait at the yellow clock and explain everything.
Thank you.
The next car.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is a train.
Yeah.
Okay. And the start is from the red paper. Okay. And the second relievement to the time is here.
Yeah.
You do a 6 sector. Okay. And you can stay closer to 12 seconds. Okay. From each sector. Okay.
So it needs to be 12 seconds per sector?
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, now.
5, 6, slower, slow, slow.
Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Too much.
13, 23. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 90. Good. 84 again. 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Everything was in the 12s.
Yeah.
And the last one was 1184.
Yeah.
That doesn't count because it was the last.
Yeah, he said like. I think it's okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We are within the time, so it's pretty good.
Oh yes. It is 1:30 midnight. Yeah, and the night before the first day of the rally.
Yeah.
And we're doing notes.
Yep. So I can give you proper calls during the rally.
Yeah, we realized how unprepared we are. Because aside from the fact us never having to do anything like that ever before, we had no idea what we're doing. We are missing phone holders for the car, so we can actually put GPS and potential rally computers on it.
No, not GPS. GPS is this. This is our
Yeah,
GPS.
sorry, I mean the speedometer, because the problem is the car is in miles per hour. We're driving with kilometers per hour country regarding speed cameras and also regarding these. So, yeah.
These were wrong. These were like, the numbers here were wrong, so they gave us the updated ones, which are here. So I had to scratch all of them and write them again with the updated ones. So hopefully,
Hopefully.
we don't mess it up. Also, somewhere in here it says, wait, let me find it. That's gonna be fun.
You know what? I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish the route for tomorrow, do all the notes, and then I'll also go to sleep. Hopefully. Hopefully we don't get lost.
Yeah, good try.